Breathing for life. Breathing is something that we all experience, and yet we don't think about it. Usually when thinking about breathing, we associate it with chest breathing. In fact, 25% of the U.S. population, perhaps even half, are dysfunctional breathers, also known as chest breathers. Chest breathers don't take in enough air with each breath to fill their lungs. Additionally, they must breathe more often and faster. On an average, an adult takes 12 to 20 breaths per minute. This is between 17 and 28,000 breaths per day, which is 2 to 3 times more than we should be breathing each day. This can lead to exhaling carbon dioxide too quickly and interferes with the balance of acidity and alkalinity, referred as a pH level in the blood, thus leading to increased levels of acidity, which keeps the blood vessels from delivering oxygen to muscles and organs, including the brain. When we breathe more than once every 4 seconds, we tend to experience more anxiety, stress, and pain. As the anxiety, stress, and pain increases, so does our breathing rate. This creates a repetitive cycle of chronic stress in the body. Fortunately, there is a solution. By simply taking some time from your schedule to relax and take a few deep, long breaths. So what is the proper way to breathe? Is your breathing deep, long, and smooth? We can learn how to best breathe by observing how babies breathe. You will see how their bellies gently rise and fall as they breathe in and out so peacefully. Therefore, the proper way to breathe is through diaphragmatic breathing. This type of breathing engages abdominals and the diaphragm instead of the muscles in the upper chest and neck. This improves the efficiency of oxygen change with every breath by allowing more air to enter into the lungs. Diaphragmatic breathing improves respiration and ensures a rich supply of purified blood to the brain and body. Practicing deep breathing has been proven to make you feel more calm, relaxed, and improve your health and well-being. Unlike other bodily functions, breathing is one you can control consciously. Deep breathing consists of controlling a set of muscles and nerves that can influence the autonomic nervous system. Certain techniques that use controlled breathing can change the physiology and connect the mind and the body. Many spiritual practices and meditations, as in yoga, use controlled deep breathing. These types of breathing techniques can be traced back to Eastern cultures and are called yogic breathing. Pranayama is the foundation of Hindu yoga through deep breathing. Pranayama is a control of life force through breathing. Pranayama breathing techniques stimulates the peaceful parasympathetic system and counter our stressful sympathetic system. It can positively affect immunity, nervous system imbalances, and stress-related conditions. One specific form of deep breathing is called Ujjayi. It is also called ocean's breath or hissing breath because of the sound it makes when it's done correctly. Through slow, natural, controlled deep breaths, it helps eliminate fatigue and negative emotions such as anger, frustration, and depression. Through pranayama, the blood is recharged with oxygen to help rejuvenate the brain and body. It improves immunity and detoxification, enhances well-being, and contributes to better brain functions. Furthermore, studies confirm that a comprehensive practice of pranayama also has a rapid and significant effect at the molecular level, reducing DNA damage and cell aging. I missed that one. There are many different ways that people all over the world practice controlled deep breathing. Basically, you sit or stand comfortably, take a deep breath, hold it for a few seconds, and slowly release, ensuring that you are engaging your diaphragmatic muscles. It can be done anywhere, takes only a few minutes, and may be done several times a day. Controlled deep breathing techniques. Benefits include reduction in fatigue, improvement in athletics, relief of insomnia, memory, mental alertness, revitalize sexual drive, and a more efficient metabolism. Research conducted in Verlag, Italy, supported the idea that controlled deep breathing techniques can improve objective parameters such as heart rate and lower salivary cortisol levels. In fact, breathing is the only function in which we can assess and influence the autonomic nervous system, which regulates the heart, circulation, digestion, and other vital functions. Furthermore, the use of controlled deep breathing techniques can lead to an effective improvement in the management of stress in daily life, and therefore could exert a more positive influence on our day-to-day living. Let's try a short deep breathing exercise now. Put one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest. Remember to breathe deeply into your belly, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. So take a deep breath, and remember, every breath you take is a breath closer to a better life, a life with less stress. Breathe in, hold it, slowly breathe out. 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 Breathe in, hold it, slowly breathe